Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to move tasks between sections in Asana. So this is actually pretty simple and straightforward. Just follow my steps. First step is to scroll down until you see your project section. Click and open the project that you want to move tasks in. Now select the task that you want to basically move to new section and drag like so, and select multiple if you want, and then simply drag them by this I don't know what it is, left column, and select and drop them to new section. As you can see, they are actually in new section. It is really simple to move tasks between sections, as you can see. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.